Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the new top 5 kitchen gadgets that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video.
The Moen Donner Collection, Chrome 6.25-inch diameter wall. Mount Contemporary Bathroom Hand Towel Ring is a sleek and modern addition to any bathroom space. Crafted from durable zinc material and finished in a stylish chrome finish, this hand towel ring offers both quality and style in one package. Measuring at 7.25 inches in length, 6 inches in width, and 2.5 inches in height. This hand towel ring has a contemporary design that fits well with various bathroom decor styles. The chrome finish not only adds a touch of elegance but also ensures easy maintenance by resisting water spots and fingerprints. As a product from the reputable brand Moen, you can trust in the quality and durability of this hand towel ring. The wall mount installation type makes it easy to set up, providing a sturdy and reliable place to hang your hand towels. Weighing only 1.6 ounces, the Moen Donner Collection Chrome Hand Towel Ring is lightweight yet robust enough to hold your towels securely.
The Ovente Electric Immersion Hand Blender is a versatile kitchen tool that brings convenience and efficiency to your cooking experience. With its 300-watt motor, this hand blender offers impressive blending power suitable for a wide range of recipes. One of the standout features of this hand blender is its 2-speed settings, allowing you to customize the blending experience based on your specific needs. Whether you need a gentle mix or a more vigorous blend, this blender can accommodate various textures with ease. The sleek black design of the Ovente hand blender adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen space. Its slim stick design and compact dimensions of 2.5D into 2.5W into 14.8H make it easy to store and handle, ensuring that it doesn't take up much space on your countertop.
The Shepherd Hardware 4-inch Move It 9283 steel tri-dolly with a 200 lb load capacity is a reliable and versatile tool designed to make moving heavy items a breeze. Made by Shepherd Hardware, a trusted brand in the industry, this tri-dolly is built to last, featuring high-quality polyolefin material that ensures durability and long-lasting performance. With its 4-inch size and sturdy steel construction, this tri-dolly can effortlessly transport items weighing up to 200 pounds, making it ideal for a wide range of moving tasks. The black color and sleek design add a touch of sophistication to its functionality, making it a practical and aesthetically pleasing tool for both home and professional use. Weighing only 0.16 kilograms, this tri-dolly is lightweight and easy to maneuver, allowing for smooth and efficient transportation of heavy objects.
The Dezen Hot Pot. Electric upgraded is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance suitable for diverse cooking needs. From preparing soups, stews, to noodles, this product excels in functionality and durability. Featuring a 1.58 quarts capacity, this electric pot is perfect for small to medium-sized meal preparations. The non-stick material ensures easy cleaning and maintenance, while the matte finish gives a sleek and modern look to your kitchen space. With product dimensions of 4.02D into 13.98W into 7.28H, the Dezen Hot Pot Electric Upgraded is compact and space-saving, ideal for kitchens with limited countertop space. The 600 watts power wattage ensures rapid heating for quick and efficient cooking. The touch control method and hand controller type offer ease of operation, making it user-friendly for individuals of all cooking skill levels. The unique purple color adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. In conclusion, the Dezen Hot Pot Electric Upgraded is a reliable.
The Entree Pasta Maker Attachment 3-in-1 set for KitchenAid stand mixers is a versatile addition to any kitchen. This attachment, designed by Entree, is built with quality and convenience in mind. Made from high-grade plastic and featuring stainless steel blades, this pasta maker ensures durability and efficient performance. The set comes in a clean and classic white color, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. Weighing 3.5 pounds and with dimensions of 8.26 L into 6.69 W into 2.16 H, it is compact and easy to store when not in use. Featuring 8 adjustable settings, this pasta maker allows you to choose the thickness of your pasta sheets according to your preference. Whether you're craving a hearty fettuccine or delicate angel hair pasta, this attachment has you covered. The manual operation mode gives you full control over the pasta making process, letting you create authentic Italian dishes with ease. For convenient cleanup, the set includes a cleaning brush.
The Flame King Propane Torch Kit. Heavy-duty weed burner is a versatile and powerful tool designed to make weed control and other outdoor maintenance tasks easier and more efficient. With its sturdy construction and thoughtful design, this product offers both reliability and convenience to users. The Flame King Propane Torch Kit comes in a sleek blue and black color scheme, giving it a professional and modern look that stands out. The materials used in its construction, including plastic, steel, and rubber, ensure durability and longevity, making it a worthy investment for anyone looking for a high-quality tool. Weighing just 1.5 kilograms and measuring at 108 inches in length, 2.77 inches in width, and 3 inches in height, this torch kit is lightweight and easy to handle, reducing user fatigue.
The OXO Good Grips. Small silicone flexible turner in black is a well-crafted kitchen tool designed to enhance your cooking experience. Made from a combination of high-quality stainless steel and durable silicone, this turner offers the perfect balance of sturdiness and flexibility. The black color gives it a sleek and modern look, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. With its small size and dimensions of 11.25 L into 3.25 W, this turner is ideal for handling various cooking tasks, from flipping delicate items like eggs and fish to serving baked goods or vegetables. The silicone material provides a non-stick surface, making it easy to slide under food without damaging it. Additionally, the stainless steel core gives it extra strength and durability, ensuring that it can withstand everyday use. The OXO brand is known for its commitment to quality and innovation, and this turner is no exception. It is designed with the user in mind, featuring a comfortable grip.
The Fox Run Silicone Pot Clip Spoon. Rest is a functional and charming addition to any kitchen. Made from high-quality silicone, this spoon rest is both durable and heat-resistant, making it perfect for holding your cooking utensils while you cook. The cute owl and cat designs add a touch of whimsy to your kitchen decor. Measuring at 2 inches in length and 1 inch in width, this spoon rest is compact enough to fit on any countertop or stovetop without taking up too much space. Its dishwasher-safe feature also makes cleaning up a breeze, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your culinary creations and less time on kitchen maintenance. Overall, the Fox Run Silicone Pot Clip Spoon Rest is a practical and fun kitchen accessory that is sure to delight both home cooks and professional chefs alike. Its silicone construction, adorable design, and easy-to-clean properties make it a must-have item for anyone looking to keep their kitchen organized and stylish.
The Ayozita 2-pack, 17 ounces glass olive oil dispenser bottle. Set offers both style and functionality for your kitchen. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel and clear glass, these dispenser bottles are not only durable but also elegant, making them a perfect addition to any home. The 17 fluid ounces capacity of each bottle provides ample space to store your favorite olive oils or other liquid condiments. The clear glass design allows you to easily monitor the content level and ensures a sleek presentation on your countertop or dining table. The dispenser bottle type of this set makes it convenient to pour and control the amount of oil or dressing you use, reducing waste and mess. The stainless steel spout is designed to regulate the flow of liquid, preventing spills or drips. Whether you are a home cook or a professional chef, the Ayozita glass olive oil dispenser bottle set is a practical and stylish choice for dispensing and storing your oils. Enhance your culinary experience.
The Guanxi 8-pack silicone lids for bowls offer a versatile and eco-friendly solution for covering various containers in the kitchen. Made from high-quality silicone, these lids are durable and reusable, reducing the need for disposable plastic wraps. The set includes 8 lids in different sizes, suitable for bowls, cans, cups, microwaves, and pans, providing a universal fit for most common kitchen containers. The silicone material is safe for use in the microwave and dishwasher, making them convenient for everyday use. The A8 mix color scheme adds a touch of vibrancy to the kitchen. With an item weight of 1.8 pounds, these silicone lids are lightweight and easy to handle. Overall, the Guanxi 8-pack silicone lids for bowls are a practical, environmentally friendly solution for keeping food fresh and minimizing waste in the kitchen.